make practice on how to find the area and perimeter using grades. Okay, you check that here. First of all, we find the grades on top. Okay, how much grades we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How much we have?
10.
Good. So 10 is this. Now we find the vertical one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again we have how much?
10.
Good. So it means that 10 times 10 we get how much?
100.
Good. It means that these all are total 100 grades. Understand? Now, if you want to find the parameter, this is for area. And for parameter, you seen it clearly. First we find this one, this is 10 grades. These are 10 grades. Again, this is again 10 grades. I am right? So we get 10 add into 10, we get 20. 20 add into this 10, we get 30. And 30 add into this 10, we get 40. Understand?
Yes.
So parameters is equal to how much?
40, but it says 32 square.
No, actually we just find the rectangle. So this is for how this is just for how to find the area and
You have
parameter.
to do this on each one?
Yes, exactly. Now here in this question you check that draw rectangle within 32 square unit. 32 we get from how much?
Okay, sorry, say it again.
32 we get from how much? By 8 times how much?
40.
8 times 4 we get how much?
Oh, 8 times 4. 32.
Good. So we just select 8 grades on top and 4 grades on bottom.
Okay.
Clearly this one present 32 square unit. So how we get 32? Here you check that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is unit on this side. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is on top. So 8 times 4 we get
8 times 4, we get 32.
32. Good. Again, if you don't understand by this method, you check that how much times how much we get 42. Sorry, 32. 6. How
Okay.
much times how much we get 32?
How much do we get to 32?
Yes.
8 and 4.
Good. So here you check that one side is present, we have 4 grades, and second one we have 8 grades.
Yeah.
So 8 times 4 we get 32. Understand?
Yes.
Can you find the area of this rectangle?
Yes.
Good. Hurry up, make practice on this.
Okay.
And also explain how you can do it.
Okay, but I'm gonna be back in 1 minute.
Okay.